Ah, the original multi-purpose Mechanix gloves. I'm not a mechanic at all, but I can say that if you're a wrestling fan and you watched wrestling back in the day, you know Sting wore Mechanix gloves, and well, I needed gloves for my Halloween outfit. So yeah, these are it. The same exact style that Sting wore way back in 1996, 97. Don't know why he chose these gloves. It's just what he wore. And so so I had to get them. They've changed a little bit since then. I know I had a pair of these when I was younger. The Velcro straps just a little smaller. Oh, ID, you can like write your name there. But feel wise, they feel great. This is the large pair. I don't feel I have giant hands. So if you don't feel like your hands are giant, you don't feel like your hands are small, large should do you pretty good. But this is what they look like. Mechanic in your life, they're probably perfect. Or you're 30 years old and want to be Sting for Halloween, and you're going off the old school '96 costume. They're perfect for that. The original Mechanix gloves, very nice.